Community Marauder. Draw one random community card and move all of that community on the board to your recruits. Place draw card in neutral area. So, Community Marauder is a pretty powerful gamble card, and it is a gamble because all you're getting is a singular card, but it can really change the game. It's a very good late game card. So we're going to flip this over. It's a blue. Now that's good because the opponent has a lot of blue cards. So you can see the power of this card if you hit on that gamble. You take all of those cards, and that right there is 27 points. That is 54 points right there. Moved over, including the 7, although I take this back because the 7 has to be moved to the neutral area. Now, the negative part is, if there's a negative on the board, it also has to come to you. And if you have blues in this loyalist row, they also have to move back. But you can usually deal with that if you get a good turn like we just got. Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.